Some 282 million vehicles were registered in the United States in 2021, and a road network stretching over 4 million miles in total length. It comprises approximately 3 million miles of paved roads. On interstate highways, state highways, local roads and bridges, the usual winter weather leaves countless potholes every year, temporarily filled. The poor condition of the roads causes many accidents on practically the entire network.
Robert Berg says just last week, while walking his dogs Rocket and Violet, he stepped on a pothole precursor, a crack.
I fell down on my face and smashed my nose. Potholes are a catastrophe this fall.
Right now, crews work daily to patch potholes temporarily. Permanent fixes come in spring.
A 34-year-old software engineer says he can no longer read, work, or see clearly. It's been 6 months since he crashed into a pothole near Wayne State while riding an electric scooter, and he is now suing the city for $10 million.
Based on the most recent data from AAA, 44 million drivers had to fork over money last year for vehicle repairs after unwelcome encounter with potholes. With an average price tag of almost $600 per repair damage caused by potholes, cost drivers a staggering $26.5 billion in 2021 alone. The top 3 states with worst pothole problems are Washington, Minnesota, and Michigan. The top 3 cities with worst potholes problems are New York, Los Angeles, and Minneapolis.
Drivers say it seems like everywhere you go, you will find them. 4th Avenue in Brooklyn, 9th Avenue, Manhattan, Richmond Road, Staten Island.
Horrible. Horrible. There must have been about 7 of them.
Bob Lagana says our roads boast the biggest array of potholes he's seen in 10 years. He was lucky. Not the case for commuters traveling I-95 northbound in Leonia approaching the GWB this morning.
7 other cars in front of me, all on the side.
He estimates nearly 20 more cars have flats to fix now. According to the AAA, the average New Yorker spends an extra $673 a year to repair damage done by roads. And 74% of roads in New York City and Newark are in either poor or mediocre condition.
For most of the vehicles involved, it is often a blown tire or a damaged rim. But it is sometimes more serious, to the point that today, the safety of users is really at risk. Faced with the seriousness of this problem, the authorities now want to focus on filling potholes permanently. Usually, when temperatures are too low, it is not possible to work with hot asphalt, so cold asphalt is placed. A fragile and temporary repair. With the rain and temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, it's impossible for it to hold. It's a bit like putting glue on a wet sole, so to speak.
Pothole repairs will be done this week following this month's winter weather, and TDOT is asking for your patience. They say there could be some short-term traffic delays while they try to fix these. They're working on temporary patches, but it could be spring or summer before permanent repairs are made.
They'll be patching every single mile of the 750 miles of snow routes.
Some avoid them easily. Others, not so lucky. To fix the pothole problem in the winter, it's typically a temporary solution.
There are 5 seasons in Minnesota. It's nothing new to anyone who lives here. Right between winter and spring is a violent, turbulent month known as pothole season. And this year is really, really bad.
Here's to all the cars, ouch, roughing it. Oh, on just about any city street right now. Parts of Uptown in Minneapolis off Dean Parkway look more Rocky Mountain riverbed than road right now. Dr. Barman says there are temporary cold patches, but any major repairs need to wait about a month until asphalt plants open up in April.
Well, in the winter, crews tend to use what's called a cold mix to patch those potholes. Now, it doesn't have an adhesive component, so it doesn't bond as well. And that means, as we know, a lot of plows come through on roads. And after that happens, crews just tend to be in this endless cycle where they have to repatch the same spots over and over.
And yet, it is technically possible to make solid and permanent repairs. The technique proposed today by PAVTECH is widely used in Quebec. It is still unknown in the rest of Canada and the United States. PAVTECH is a company specializing in the research and development of nanotechnological cold asphalt in Quebec, for the permanent maintenance and repair of roads and highways in all seasons. Thanks to our expertise in the field of bituminous coatings combined with nanotechnology, we can offer customized solutions to meet the specific needs to our customers. We have a modern and efficient production facility. Our commitment to quality, safety, and the environment is at the heart of our business strategy, and we are constantly working to improve our processes and products to meet the highest standards. We are proud to announce the partnership for permanent pothole repair services 12 months a year in the United States with Potholes Expert and Spartan Construction and Asphalt in Utah. iSphalt 6.5 is a revolutionary product for the permanent repair of potholes on roads and highways, which can be used in all weather conditions. Designed for use in the cold weather, rain, or snow. This product uses nanotechnology to ensure an effective and quick solution to pothole problems. This product is ready to use directly on site without requiring heavy equipment. It can be used to repair potholes directly in water. This makes it ideal for emergency repairs on roads and highways. It uses only water as the activating agent, without the use of solvents, making it safer for workers and the environment. This product is easy to use and can be immediately ready for road traffic. iSphalt 6.5, a revolutionary product that promotes low-carbon government for a more sustainable future.